Super Stallion helicopters. They are demonstrating aerial refueling. One of the most significant capabilities of the Corps is projecting our combat power over great distances. As you can see, the assault support aircraft will stay near the tanker, ensuring they have enough fuel to support our ground marines as they commence action. Behind that C130, on the left, you will see another C130 Hercules. In tow are 2 Hornets and 2 Harrier jets. Again, demonstrating aerial refueling. Here, all 4 jets will stay near the tanker, ensuring they are well fueled and ready to take action. As they pass overhead, the roar you will hear is what we call the sound of freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, the sound of freedom! Screaming in from the left, 1 UH-1 Yankee Huey helicopter is approaching. In a few seconds, you will see it stabilize over the landing zone, or LZ. Our young Marines will fast rope to the ground. This technique is used when the tactical situation or terrain prevents the helicopter from landing. As you are witnessing, the Marines will quickly exit the aircraft and land in a matter of seconds. These young Marines, all under the age